To effectively manage your business, navigate to the Quick Actions section. Here, you'll find a dedicated Reports button designed to centralize all your essential business analytics. Clicking this will lead you to a comprehensive overview of various reports, streamlining your data access and decision-making process. From the diverse range of available reports, select the Item Tax Report. This specific report is crucial for understanding the tax implications of each item sold. It helps you accurately track and analyze tax contributions per item, ensuring compliance and precise financial management. Before generating the report, utilize the flexible search and filter options to refine your data. You can specify a date range, filter by item name, or even select particular categories or tax types. Once your criteria are set, a simple click on the Search button will instantly display the customized item tax report. The generated report presents a clear breakdown of each item's tax information. You'll see total quantity sold, item total, and total tax collected. These key metrics provide an immediate snapshot of your sales performance and tax liabilities, simplifying financial oversight. Scroll down to examine detailed columns like item name, quantity, unit price, amount, and tax category. This comprehensive view allows you to verify individual item sales and their associated tax contributions, ensuring unparalleled transparency and precision in your financial reporting. This report makes tax management effortless.